Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I'm back with another video of my web development series with HTML. In this lecture, we will see how to use div tag in HTML. Div tags are so important because what is div? Div means the division, the sections of our website. So we will learn all about div tag in this lecture. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and being with me and supporting me. So let's get started to this video. So what is div tag? Div means division. So div means a division. So what I can show you is, if I go to page, it's not working. Page, okay, page, looking odd today. Okay, so paint. Okay, so what is the div tag? So suppose this is our website. Okay, so what we have, so first of all we have a navigation bar here, that is called the navigation menu. Our home, about, contact, everything is here. So everything is here. So this is our main navigation bar. Okay, then what we have our banner of our website, the front banner, what we see. Okay, then then it has maybe other sections here. uh, it has other sections here. So suppose a section of your portfolio, and another section, maybe something, and so on. So all the things, um, okay, so all these things, these are all sections, these are all divisions, these are all the div tag, these are all the divisions. So this is the division, and this is the division 1, this is division 2, division 3, and division 4. These are all division. So to make this kind of layout, or maybe another layout, say suppose we have a website, sorry, we have a website like this, and it has, first, every website will have a nav, I think. Then it has a first page banner here. Then it can have uh, a big div here. Inside this div, it may have this kind of sections, this kind of sections, and this kind of sections. We can make all kind of layouts using div tag. Okay, so these are all divisions, and these are all the subdivision of this division. Okay, so I hope I have understood you what is division. So how we can use, suppose we can use div. Okay, div, this is simple, this is the division, this is the first division. Okay, inside this division we have a h1 tag. Okay, so this is div 1. Okay, and we have div 2. Okay, so inside that we have h1 called, this is div 2. Inside here we have another h1 called, this is div div 3. So this is div 3. Okay, we can save this. In our browser we can see these lines here. So how can we know that these are not in single division? We can simply go to inspect element. It will open up a bar here. Inside here we can see our body here. Inside this body we can see three div tab. If we go to first one, we can see that this div has this thing. This is the width of our div. We can see the second one, the third one. and we can see our whole body. Okay, so this is the division tag. So this is the division tag. We have three divisor in our website, three sections we can work with. Okay, three sections where we can work. Say suppose we want to change the background of our first tip, so we can go simply here, write our style sheet and go to background color, and we can give it green. Okay, green, green yellow. Okay, green yellow, no problem. We can simply go here and write style. Okay, style here, and we can say background. Okay, so background, and we can say color, colon, and we can say weight. Okay, and we can go again this one and write the same style, background color. How about this one? Okay, so we can see three colors for our three divisions. So we have three div tag here, and we have three sections here. We can work with individual with these sections. We can write p tag here. We can write p tag here. Inside the p tag I can write Lawrence 100 words. I can save this, and we can see that the height is changing when we are applying or when we are storing something in our div first container. If we do the same for our second container, so p and Lauren 18, okay, 80, okay, Lauren 18, and save this. We can see that it's changed again. We have some paddings here. Don't worry about them. We will remove all this when we go to our web development CSS series. There we will learn how to design it, but for now just learn about the div tag. So we have div tag. We can do complex work here. Okay, so suppose we have in our third division we have another two div. Okay, we have another two divs, so I'll do simply two divs here. Okay, so suppose we can write here h1. So this is sub div. Okay, this is sub div 1, and I can write this, simply copy and paste here, and div 2, and save this. I can see that this is the subdiv, this is the subdiv 2. We can see two subdivs inside of our hot pink divisor. Okay, so suppose we want to give a different color to this subdiv. Yes, we can do that. We can simply copy and paste, sorry, not copy and paste here, and change the color. Okay, I'll change the color to what color? It was green. Okay, we'll do green for this one, and we will change the background of this one too, and make the background color what we can get. Okay, blue. No, simple color. I am using only simple. And when we save this, we can see that the main division color is pink, and the subdivision color are green and blue. We can see them inside here. So if we increase uh, our subdivisor, so lorem 15, okay, lorem 15, save, and same for our green one. So p tag and lorem 15, okay. So we can see that both subdivisor has been increased in height and width. Okay, this is the sub, and we can see the main divisor in our padding here. So this padding is giving us some extra understanding here that there is a subdivisor here. We can also make this two divisor align center. We will see all that in our what we can say in our css. I can make you easy, so I can use a padding top. I can use a padding top here of, okay, so 100 pixel. Okay, now it's changing the padding of the divisor. Oh, sorry, mistake here. I have to give this one here. So padding top. Okay, padding top will be 100 pixel. 100 pixel for our divisor here. Look, we can see the main divisor here. What we can do here, I will also use a padding bottom. So padding bottom will also do 100 pixel. So I'm doing this to show you the main divisor, the main div and the sub div. So the pink one is the main div. I can write it here, main div. So p, so this is our main div 3. Okay, look, so this is our div1, div2, and this is our div3, which have two sub divs 1 and 2. So this is how we can use div to cross section our website to make different kind of layout using div. So I hope you understand the basic use of div. In our css tutorial we'll see some advanced styling with div using css. So till then, take care, bye bye, and keep practicing.